Welcome, friends and family. Today, we celebrate the best of what it means to be human. Today, we celebrate love. In all seriousness, Sammy and Angelica asked me to officiate today because I was the one to introduce them and was the first one to see the potential of their love all of those years ago. And looking back to how it all started, to now being up here on the altar to marry you two today, is surreal and such a special honor. So let's get to it. Angelica's an animal lover, sometimes over a people lover. She's a go-getter. She's smart, sharp, and has the focus to get what she wants and the discipline to prioritize only the things that matter. And at the same time, she's sweet, silly, genuine, and just an overall great human that anyone would be lucky to call a friend. Like Sammy, she has an incredible group of friends and family that have shaped her into the amazing woman that she is today. Getting to know Sammy well, deep down, he's one of the kindest, goofiest, caring, loyal, passionate, and fun-loving people you've ever met. He's almost never not smiling and has this contagious, positive energy that lights up any room that he walks into. He's just one of those guys that makes friends anywhere that he goes and that you're rooting for to win at anything that he does. He never takes life too seriously and always puts others before himself, especially when it comes down to his family. Sammy and Angelica would like to thank each of you for being here for their big day. They know that making the journey took considerable amount of effort for a good many of you. and for this, they're deeply grateful. You've shared in their best days, their worst days, and you're an irreplaceable part of their yesterdays, their today, and all of their tomorrows. Most of you have known Sammy and Angelica for years. You've watched them grow up, you went to school with them, or by some luck or fate, your lives have crossed paths. And weddings are often a time when people come together that are connected through the love of two people, to recall memories and share stories of both of those who are with us now. Marriage is perhaps the greatest and most challenging adventure of human relationships. No ceremony can create your marriage, only you can do that. Through love and patience, through dedication and perseverance, through talking, listening, helping, supporting, and believing in each other. Through tenderness and laughter, through learning to forgive and learning to appreciate your differences, by learning to make the important things matter and let go of the rest.
You could not bring Sammy up without making Jelly smile ear to ear. Sammy gets brought up and she is the first at the podium with an ode to Sammy. It's both precious and disturbing in the best way. And the truth is, Sammy, you deserve every bit of love that Jelly has to offer, because had it been you back when we were 22 that I met, I know you would have been right there on the couch with me eating cheap Chinese.
There's an ancient phrase I heard years ago, persistence beats resistance. I don't know who coined it, but when Sammy and Jelly first started dating, I think this was mostly Sammy's rally cry, wherever he got it from. But Sammy's pursuit was absolutely warranted. Jelly brings all the same energy and joy to the room that you do. When you put yourselves together, it's an unbelievable positive energy that all of us love to be around. She's thoughtful, she's caring, she's from the great state of Iowa. Her family is more or less Cyclone fans, so shout out for that. And not only has she become a great friend of mine, has made one of my best friends' lives the life that he's always dreamed of. So thank you, Jelly. I love you both. Cheers to our two favorite friends, Sammy and Jelly.